Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you a graphic card I got from Aliexpress, and this is gonna be an unboxing video, so I'm gonna test it later, so see how it performs, how it looks, what's the issue with the card, and I'm gonna keep you informed. So this is a Amd Rx 6600M 8GB. It's a laptop version, I think. The shipping to my country was like very fast, like 12 days, 13 days. And the card looks nice with unboxing, with wrapping, looks new in first place, but I'm gonna show you and test it, how it performs, how it looks. I'm gonna leave a description of the page I got this. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give a like, a subscribe if you want. Have a great day guys. See the unboxing video and see you later.